So, hi everyone, I am Annalise Lastimado, Bachelor Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. So, for today's video, I'm going to explain how to create a class in a Google Classroom. So, by the way, the topic that I chosen is Google Workspace for Education Google Classroom. So, first, dapat mag-install ka og app nga Google Classroom sa imong Play Store. So, karon kay naa naman koy app nga Google Classroom, ato ni siyang i-open. So, next is atong pinduton ang plus sign. So, create a class. So, i-check ra nimo. I read and understand the above notice and I am not using classroom at a school. So, check, then continue. So, dapat na ay class name. So, for example, nga atong i-class name is grade 7. So, dapat section. Dapat na section kung unsa nga section. Section, for example, section A. So, dapat pod na ay room or butang na to room 1 example. Then subject, for example nga subject is geography. So create. So pasensya kayo guys, hinay jud ang akong internet connection. So new announcement. So, andrita sa stream. Atong pinuton ang new announcement. For example, mayroon ka dito. Hi class. We will having a class tomorrow. Then, imo na siyang i-create. So, makita na nila ang imong announcement na, hi class, we will having a class tomorrow. So, for example, mo-add kag announcement. For example, ang imong announcement is pwede add attachment, pwede sa pwede sa drive. For example, nasa drive imong announcement, pwede ra ka diri magkuha sa imong recent. For example, pwede po diri sa insert link, pwede kag imong insert ang link diya, or pwede pod